In the last lecture, we saw how to work with color photos and use HSL color to edit different colors on that image. In this video, we will be talking about the usage of HSL panel for black and white photos. So let me change the photo to black and white using the treatment section in the basic panel and basically click on the black and white. And the image will be turned black and white just by clicking that button. And we see that HSL/color is changed to BNW, black and white. Let's expand it and we see the same colors, but we don't see different hues, saturation and luminance because basically in this image we don't have any color. So why we have these sliders for different colors? Because when we turn the photo in black and white in Lightroom will know which color is present in the image and where they are located. So although our image is black and white, Lightroom has the information of all of the colors present in the image and lets us change the luminance of that colors in black and white. For example, we know that this door was yellow before we turned the image to black and white. We can change to before and after view by using these options at the bottom. So I will change it to black before and after. Now we are seeing before and after of the image. And now we could see the differences better. So we know that this door is yellow. The yellow slider, Lightroom lets us to change the vibrance or the brightness of that color using the yellow sliders in the black and white section. So basically what it does is Lightroom remembers that this door was yellow and gives us the control of its luminance. And we see that we can control the whole door with using this slider. Similar to before, we can also use this picker to select that area. And we're seeing that it works just like before. And in the black and white image, we are controlling its brightness instead of the colors. Let's see this image and let's turn it into black and white using basic treatment and black and white. And we can use this in black and white to create contrast in the image. For example, I want to change the contrast or the brightness of these areas where this color is located. So I will select the picker, choose that area and control it as luminance by using the sliders. And we are seeing that this is getting darker and the image is much more contrasty this way. In this image, we see some different artifacts in around these areas. It's because this image is JPG and does not contain too much information about the image, about the colors that are present in the image. So that's why it's creating or it is getting some artifacts. And that's why you should always shoot raw, save yourself a lot of time and resources fixing these artifacts. Let's see how it works for the portrait photos, where we have lots of colors that are in this image. First, I turn this image to black and white and see how it works. You know that this area has orange color. Let's change the saturation of orange. And we see only that areas are getting brighter. And don't forget that skin tones are mostly orange color, so our skin tones will be affected too. So by controlling different colors, we can create contrast and grunge in our black and white images, as we are seeing in here. And another thing that we see in here, we have this vignette, we have this black areas around the bars of our image. And we know that black areas are lens vignetting, one of the lens faults. So to correct that, we go to lens correction and take the enable profile corrections. And we see that black areas are gone now. And let me check the chromatic aberrations too. And yeah, we see that this is the before and this is the after of applying the black and white and controlling its various color brightness in the black and white image. So by turning an image into black and white inside the Lightroom, the HSL panel will change to BNW and give us the power or the control over different colors, brightness, and we can use that change creatively. And that was it for this lecture. See you in the next one.